I'm Bobby Grenier, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kami to work with your PDF documents, how to save those documents, and how to upload them to Buzz. So let's get started. But before I get started, up here is my Twitter, at Bobby Grenier, if you want to follow me on Twitter, and my website is over here, bobbygrenier.com. And it would really make me happy if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel with the links down below there, and just click on the bell if you want to receive notifications of my other videos. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store and do a search for Kami for Google Chrome and install that onto your computer. Well, now that you've got Chrome installed on your computer, now I can show you how to use Kami with Buzz. So, let's go! So when you see the printer symbol, that means it's a worksheet that you can complete using Kami. And the symbol is right there. Click the Kami button in the top right corner to open the Kami application with your PDF. So this is your PDF document. When you go there, this is going to open up. Once you have Kami installed on your computer, this will appear when you have a PDF. Open it with Kami. Click that. When you're done using Kami and you're ready to save it, Kami will prompt you to save the file to your Google Drive. Choose Save to Drive. Kami is auto-saving to the Google Drive, but when you're finished with the assignment, choose Download to save it to your computer. So it does both. It's saving it to your Google Drive, and you also want to download it to your computer because you're going to need that working with Buzz. Save the PDF to your desktop so that you can find it easier. When Buzz wants you to submit the work, it will look like this. You're going to click the plus icon now to add an attachment. So you see the red arrow? That's where you click that plus icon. And you're going to choose Attach a File. After you've attached and uploaded the PDF, this is what the teacher sees when they're grading the assignment. Kami makes the work easy to read, and it makes it easy to submit the work in Buzz. And if you'd like to follow me, my website is bobbygrenier.com. I'm on Twitter at Bobby Grenier. If you would like some training in this and other applications, computerbasedlearning.org is my website where I provide some free courses. And also, if you're interested in listening to us talk about teachers and teachers' life and our students and all of that, kids and parents and just about anything that has anything to do with education, edulivestream.com is our live stream show and podcast. Alright, well that's it for today. That is how to use Kami with Buzz. I've shown you how to use Kami, and I've shown you how to submit the work using Kami to do the work, download it, save it to your Google Drive, uploading your download then to Buzz so that the teacher can see it and interact with it easier. And I hope that this really helps. If this was helpful to you, you can follow me on Twitter. I'm up here, and you could go to my website here, and I'd really, really love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is down below, and then just click the little bell so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. See you next time. Bye.